You love ice cream?
Yes.
I love ice cream too. But this game gives a horror vibe about ice cream. Let's just start playing this game, okay? So let's just start the game of ice cream 1. We're gonna play ghost mode. No tutorial. Let's just go graphics high. Let's just go. So, oh god, this thing. Okay. The tutorial. I hate the tutorial.
Look at that boy, he's getting ice cream.
I love ice cream.
It's just another day getting ice cream.
Yes.
Why is it so?
Don't you want to
But
try?
did you see those heartbreak signs on the ice cream?
Well, pretend we didn't see that.
Okay, we need to escape the house. We need to take a rope.
Why is there a random rope in this?
Okay, this thing. Oh, rope!
Uh-oh.
And we need to get out of there. Here, okay?
Yank the rope out the window.
Now interact with the window. Rod is not gonna see us, so we can
Because he's
just
blind, that's it. Blind. Blind.
let's just find the map, okay?
Isn't it in the dog?
Let's hide inside the doghouse, okay? Now he's gonna come out.
I'm going to kill some kids
Okay, who cares?
today.
We
I'm
just
looking
let's
for
just
the
stop
chump
this.
puppy one.
We don't need to hear
Going
your
to
stupid
find some
song.
chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Sus. Rod is so sus. Rod is a sussy baka. Well, I didn't say a bad word. Baka means idiot. And he's
How
like,
did you know?
cause I know it. Wait a minute. Okay. Wait, we need to place the map. Wait, I forgot. We need a slingshot. Okay? We need a slingshot.
Well, okay.
Again, we
Having
go.
a slingshot in your room makes sense. If you're a bad kid, you could
Just the. We need to find the slingshot, yes. Otherwise, we have to search here and there for this thing. And then,
I'm new to this game. Like
now Rod is not going to be here. So let's just drop this thing and let's just find the map. Go to the cafeteria because we will find something we need, okay?
cafe all day.
It was 20 years ago today. Sergeant Pepper told the band to play. They've been going in and out of town, but they guaranteed to raise your smile. So let me introduce to you the Sergeant Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band. Okay, let's just go with the Beatles moment. A funny Beatles moment. We need to find the trash can. I hate the fact that we have to put our hand in the trash can like this. And yuck, there's gonna be trash, goo.
Fungus.
There's gonna be dirtiness. There's some dustiness. The bin, we need to find
Who
the.
knocked over the bed?
Oh god. But this game has no logic actually. Okay, a paper with code. Okay, that makes sense now.
Oh my.
Okay, Rod is not going to.
Did you not see the name tag? Oh, it's Rod over there.
Okay, now, okay, we have got some coins. We don't need. Okay, let's just go leave this thing. And we don't need this. We don't need this paper because we don't need the coins. We have slingshot. Paintball gun is for our protection. Let's just see. Where's the gasoline? You know, gas. Okay, next turn will be what? Next
Gas
turn.
is there.
The next turn will be Jessica. Where's the gas?
The gas is there. Yeah, there. No, that's the bin.
That's the. That's good.
I thought that's the gas.
Let's just see. Where's the turn?
Yeah, open. Yeah.
Drawer. Oh, the oil. Yes, we need to grease the gate for that.
Yeah,
Oh.
because you want.
So this is gonna be a speed run. Let's just go. Speed run. How fast we can get this? This is an easy game. This is a game. Okay. Now we have to go to the playground. We're gonna get the gold jacket. So now what was the turn? It was Jessica, right? See, okay. So we're gonna find Jessica's ID card, and we're gonna steal that Jessica ID card. And then first, let's just see where's this thing. Where's the guard's jacket? If that guard's jacket is here, okay.
He's out. You went.
He's searching for the dump. I'm going to play this really scary game. I'm gonna slap Rods, but he's gonna be crying, Mama. Ooh, and I'm gonna rescue Charlie. Yeah, we need to activate this thing. And
Oh my.
okay,
Is this funny looking?
there's gonna be an ad, and okay, let's just click the button. Okay, yes, in the second turn. Yes, we're lucky. Okay, let's just go. Okay, so yes, let's just go. Crawl through the gate, and Rod crawls like a baby. He also crawls.
He crawls. I've seen him crawl even.
Albumin. You know albumin? Let's find it.
Oh.
Okay, let's find the guard jacket. It's not here.
Yo.
It's not in this place actually. It's usually in this place, or it will be in one of the benches. So yes, one of the bench. Where's the
Who
bench?
wants a
Oh, guard jacket and office key. We are gonna go on go to the office. We're gonna unlock his office, and this guard has been missing. Okay, for many days.
I was
Okay.
going to say, why does a guard needs a jacket in summer? Aren't you gonna sweat?
It's not it's actually winter. Okay.
Oh.
It's going to be winter. No, that's not actually a jacket. That's actually a shirt, and they call it jacket in this game. No logic actually. There's no logic.
Oh, you said that twice, I guess. So that's kind of makes sense.
Let's just click this next top store. Okay, this is where the evil ice cream man hangs out. The door. We need a petrol can actually. Let's just find a petrol. Petrolova. That is the Indian language, yes. Let's just go, okay? Now, we have found the petrol can. Now we're gonna go to the playground. Back again, we're gonna grease the gate and take petrol for the car. So we can just cut the scaffolding, okay?
My question is, how do you make Rod go here and there? Do you have mind control powers? Is there something you're telling me?
Why need this thing? Okay, just drop this thing. Where's the gasoline? Take the oil or the gasoline. Okay.
Whatever you
There's
call it.
this. Let's just go to this gate.
That looks like a hole to me. So see about the sus. This.
Okay, there's a gate.
Sus.
There's a light shining. Okay. There's sometimes glitches. You have used on. It can already be opened. Okay. We have greased the gate. Now Rod is maybe gonna come here. We don't need it.
If there's a hole in the wall, don't bust it. Don't bust it, please.
Okay, let's just stand up. It's already been 8 minutes. It's a long video. Let's just see. It's not gonna be a long video. Okay, let's just drop it. I'm not scared in this game. I ain't afraid of you, Rod. You dumb bacha. You bachchu.
3 seconds.
Only Hindi people, Indian people can understand what I'm saying. Bachchu means children. Okay.
Do you hear that sound?
That was from the washroom. Okay.
No. I heard like this. I hear this.
No problem. Let's just go. Okay. Finding out where this is. Gas station.
What kind of gas station is that?
It's broken. What is
And
this?
why is there gas in there?
Okay, we have filled the petrol can.
What if Johnny brings a toy gun and shoot that, huh?
We saw Roddy. I just saw Roddy. We have to rescue Charlie fast. He has been defreezed now, and he has been trapped in that thing for 10 minutes.
Cage, you mean? You mean a cage?
In a
Cage.
cage, yes.
I don't know how we fit there. No offense.
It's like there's a leg, and there's a place for leg, and you can look at this. Look at this thing.
Look at that.
There's a hole, and he's holding the jar.
He's like, what is for dinner?
Oh man. Okay, just let this no offense. Okay, bonzo.
Man, he needs to get a ticket for parking like that. He's parking. Did the light just flicker?
Well, let's take the office key.
The light?
The light flickers sometimes because it's gonna like what you say like when it's gonna. One time somebody saw Rod was crawling on the ground. He's like crawling like a baby.
Who's that?
We close. Okay.
For 5 seconds.
Let's just go here. Open the Guardian's office. It was Jessica. Okay, so Jessica's ID code.
What in the?
They have copyrighted the picture.
So let's explore that.
Hey, let's put copyright claim on ice cream for this thing.
Okay, let's not be that vicious. Okay.
Put the copyright for this thing. This photo is
Let's
from.
not be that vicious, please. We can blur this out easily.
We don't need to just Google image. They have copyright. Let's just go to cafeteria again. Cafeteria means what? It's which cafeteria? College cafeteria? What kind of cafeteria is this? Okay. Let's just go. This is a speed run going on of 15 or 16 seconds. I don't know. I will see the time after. Okay.
Yes.
Let's just see. Let's just go. Okay. Open this thing. Code reader. Storage room is authorized. We have to crawl down. And we're gonna find a key. Okay? Cafeteria storage key. For the pliers.
235. I don't know. This boy talented. Whoever climbing the ladder,
looking
man.
for the chump clubby one.
He's climbing with one hand. I can barely climb
Kids, and
with
we're gonna
2
make them
hands.
ice cream fun.
He's like doing like this. Two. Anybody can climb.
I can. I'm a silly goose.
He's a silly goose.
I'm a dumb goose.
This guy's like.
I got some problems in my. Okay.
Okay, let's just leave this.
Go.
We're gonna find the storage. Yes.
How
What
did
is this? This is what?
that is
233, 35. Yes. Open the garage then.
Is that the car? Is that a car? Is it a car?
Not a problem. Yes. It's
Look for the car garage.
now we need this thing. So yes, let's just take the slingshot. We're gonna take the slingshot. This is the best part, driving a car.
Oh yes. Yes.
Done it. This is gonna open by itself. And Rod is like, what is going on with
What the heck is going on? This place haunted.
this place is haunted.
What?
Take the patrol can. Now patrol can is needed.
Can I put the patrol can for you? On gas for you. Oh, never mind.
Let's see. This guy is here for support.
Yes, because you're scared to be alone. And I'm also scared to be alone. Physically.
Where's
alone.
the pliers? This everything, like, I'm gonna tell you a tip. Everything that is shining, that is gonna be used. Okay? Drive the car.
You turn. Yeah. Where are you trying to drive to? You're a terrible driver, aren't you? If you grow up, I don't know how you're gonna get the driving license. Oh, that's
Driving.
that's one way. You need to drive it through here. Oh, never mind.
Okay.
What?
Let's just see. Now let's just cut this wire.
Oh,
Now it's
that's
done.
dangerous.
What is written in Rod's diary? September 27, 1972. That was when my dad was born. In 1971. Okay, let's see. I finally done it. The machine is finally ready. I can't wait to get the secret ingredient. It was harder than I thought it would be. The notes were not very clear, but everything I collected during my trips was useful. Blah blah blah. This kid blah 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 blah. Okay. You can, if you play the game, you will find out about it. Okay.
Who is gonna read a grammar dictionary?
This was a journal entry.
Oh my god. This thing has no balance. And
Just hold it, cause why? We are almost going to beat the game. Okay, we are in the last time. Okay, okay. We don't need to drive the car for this time. Okay,
let's drive the cars quicker.
no need. We're gonna beat the game even though. Okay, now we're going there. There, yes, finally. We cannot. I think we need. Yes, you need to travel to the neighborhood to use the key. And let's just see. You go to the neighborhood and we finish the game. Over. Wait, let's
And
just.
then that Jesse come in. I want an ice cream. And you get dropped.
Liz.
Oh, Liz. Sorry,
Lizzie Capri. Lizzie Capri.
Help me, Lord.
Okay.
This is the end, right? So I can,
Yes.
So I can close this?
This one you just don't close it. Okay. The ice cream man is so dumb. He's like going.
He don't care, like.
Okay. Charlie's like. Okay.
Yeah.
How did he store a blender inside his pocket?
What
What?
the heck did he get that from?
Oh God. We need to blur your words out. It's like, bruh. Okay. We finally beat the game.
Like for part 2. Until start, but what else you did?
God, that's not real. Thank you guys for watching this video. And this is the Ice Cream Series first episode. So if there's gonna be extra Ice Cream 7, Ice Cream 8 is gonna release, we're gonna just play the game, okay? And we're gonna add it to the series. There's gonna be like a playlist, okay? I didn't know.